How to log into the USAA Bank online banking. Hey guys, in today's tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily log into the USAA Bank. First thing you got to do is have the application installed, or if you don't have it, you can just go ahead and open up your web browser. Here, you just need to search for USAA. Once you have searched for it, you should be able to see the first link, usaa.com. Just go ahead and tap on this link. And here you should land on your homepage for the website. In order to log in, you'll find the log on button at the top right corner of your screen. You can just go ahead and tap on it. And then you should be headed over to the login page. Here you need to provide your online ID. Make sure that you provide a valid ID and then tap on next. Once you've provided your ID, you will be asked to enter your password. Now simply go ahead and enter the password for your account. And if you want to view your password to verify, just tap on the show button right besides the password field. And if you want the browser to remember your login details, just go ahead and tap on this checkbox. Now if you're having trouble logging into your account, tap on I need help logging on. And if you've forgotten your password, you can just reset your password from this link. They'll ask you for a few of your information like your email or phone number in order to recover it. But basically, you just have to enter all of your details here and you should be able to log on. And that's basically it. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.